Bulldozer?
Yeah,
The bulldozer.
Yeah.
Good job. Very nice. What else do you want? You want a truck? There's a pickup truck.
And the pizza. The pizza.
Pickup truck, yeah. We spread the ink, spread the paint all around on it. Stamp. Good job. What else? Airplane? Airplane. You gotta put paint on it first. Smear it around on your plate. Fire truck? Red. Very good. Red for the fire truck. You're so smart. You gotta get red all over it. More? What else is there? You want the bicycle? A tow truck?
Yeah, it's tow truck.
Tow truck. You need more paint?
No. Yes.
Yes? How about some blue?
The blue. The blue. The blue.
Very nice.
The blue.
It's a boat. Boat.
The boat.
That's a good one. Last one. Bicycle.
The bicycles.
They're all gone.
Oh, no.
Yeah. Very good one. I like that. It's a good bicycle. That's very nice.
The bicycle. Oh.
Bulldozer.
The bulldozer.
The bulldoze.
The boat.
And the boat.
Oh. Goose! Oh, goose!
The car.
The bicycle.
The bicycle. That's a really nice bicycle stamp you just made.
Bicycle.
You did that all by yourself. Very good.
It's a bicycle.
It's a bicycle.